Well, hello guys. We'll be making egg cutlets today. Yum. Are you ready? Let's go. And by the way, they're delicious. You should try them. Take around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Keep it on medium flame. Now add in 1 onion, nicely chopped. Fry it nicely for a minute. Add in some powdered cinnamon and clove, 2 green chillies, and a piece of ginger nicely chopped, some mint leaves, and some coriander leaves. Both the mint and coriander should be chopped finely. Fry it all nicely for a minute. Now let's add the masalas. We have 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1/2 teaspoon red chilli powder. Oh, and some black pepper powder as well. Fry them nicely. Now add some salt as per your taste. Mix it well. Now let this mixture cool for a while. Let's move on to the eggs, shall we? Now to boiling water, add 2 eggs and boil them for about 15 minutes. After that, let them cool, then peel them and separate the egg yolk and the egg whites. Now we'll take these egg whites and blend them into a nice mix. Let's keep it aside. Now these egg yolks, along with some salt and boiled potatoes, need to be mixed well. Now let's add in the egg whites. Also remember to beat 1 egg and add some salt and pepper to that and keep it aside. Now let's add in the cooled mix. You remember the ingredients we fried earlier? Combine this well. Now let's make a nice ball of this mix and flatten it into a patty on the palm. Now we'll dip it into the beaten egg and coat it nicely with breadcrumbs. Shape it into the shape you want. That's nice. Now let's fry these cutlets on a medium flame. Let's add some more oil to the pan, shall we? Now fry each side for about 2 minutes, so it takes around 4 minutes for the cutlets to be ready. Make sure they're nice and golden brown. Oh, it smells delicious. Here you go. Enjoy! Please make sure you subscribe, like and comment to our channel, guys. Thanks for watching.